enjoy. Peyton, hold up your plate and say enjoy. Okay. Aiden and Summer, come here. Come here, Aiden.
Can I eat my cupcake?
Yeah. Aiden, come here with Summer. Summer, do you want a cupcake? Ready?
Do we have to get down and eat
Go. Battle. Sword battle. Aiden. Fight with Summer. Mariah, say check out our YouTube channel and our other videos posted every Wednesday.
Check out our YouTube channel and all our other videos posted every Wednesday.
Peyton, say, and keep your kids in the kitchen.
Keep in the kitchen.